know. Merry Vlogmas Day 12, I believe. Sorry, that bus is backing up. Okay. I'm on my way to my hair appointment right now. Lucy's so sweet. She's driving me on her way to work, and I'm gonna go see, like, darker and lighter is what I'm thinking. I didn't even tell you. I think I just want to be more blended and like dark throughout here, but maybe add like a money piece to be like that bronze money piece that everyone is doing. Because I just want it to like grow out nice, but still be bright in the front, but like my natural throughout, so that it's not like the line, you know? Because we just toned it last time to blend it, but then obviously toner fades, blah blah blah, probably a fresh trim. So that's my plan, and yeah, we're almost there. I have loved my time in Boston the past couple days. Had so much fun. We literally had the best time yesterday afternoon, evening, shopping around. So yes, and then the plan is later today. I don't know why in my head this whole time I thought we had to leave the same time. I thought Lucy and I were like going together, but we have two separate cars. So I probably will head to the Cape before Lucy, and then she will come down after work, and I'm doing my house all set up for Christmas. I'm so excited.
Should be exciting. What are we doing for the Christmas tree?
Lucy's half asleep right now.
I know, I just get sick, so.
Yeah, she's getting over her virus, we think. Potentially the flu. We don't know. But her doctor did tell her she's not contagious, so there you go. We could get a real one. We could also get a fake one. Max's mom was also saying their real tree we could bring over to our house because it literally is for like a day or two. But that seems crazy, especially because it's all decorated. I don't know how that would be a possibility. And also the day before Christmas, I'm sure there's very few trees and they're very discounted. So I feel like we'll be able to get whatever. So that's the plan. Here we go. Just chatted forever. Gonna do blended throughout with a toner again. Maybe add in some lowlights because I'm like, I really want to break up this like very blonde. Have a little more dimensional. And then maybe just to make the front pop, do like a money piece. So it'll be like darker, lighter. I was showing him a bunch of inspo pics. Should I show you guys? Want me to show you? Okay, shout out my queen, Danielle. I'm actually gonna text you right now and tell you that I'm using your hair as my inspo for my hairdresser. I just love how her, like this is very similar to my natural. Her natural is like pulled down more, like I'm like pulled down the dark so that my root isn't up here. It's kind of like blended down here. I really like the way that looks. I've literally been screenshotting for so long any like hair reel that pops up. This is like a very stark contrast, but I do like the bright in the front money piece. Like that'll still make me feel bright. She's really bright throughout the bottom. I'd want that more broken up, but I love like the dark throughout. I feel like that just grows out so nice and blended. I was showing him this girl who I saw her reel, and I actually feel like this is the most similar to my natural color, like a very true medium brown. I think she just has really thin baby lights. I wish I could go back to my full natural hair like this. It legit would be this thick, and then just do baby lights because that looks so nice. Okay, last inspo pic. She's probably a little bit darker than me naturally, but I love that like rich brown with some money piece in the front. This looks so good. Hey you guys, if you want the full reveal, I don't know, I'm feeling nervous filming in public. I forget what it's like in Boston. The wind is blowing my hair away, so you can't even see here. Let's come stand over here for a second. Feeling not shy now. I have to stand here and show you the after. Woo! The natural lighting's good. You can see we kind of did like money piece in the front. Darkness there, I'll have to show you when I get home and the wind isn't blowing me away. But I'm loving it. It's gonna grow out so nice and blended. It's so much darker. Like I'm literally brunette. But this is exactly what I wanted. We did money piece, some toner throughout, and a couple low lights as well. So I was like, I really want some low lights to blend it all together. More hair talk later. And now I'm gonna run back to Cartier. You guys remember yesterday we went, but I think I said I wasn't sure about the cologne. Now I'm sure. And so I'm gonna run back and get that cologne for Rex for Christmas. It is freezing. I was gonna walk back to Lucy's apartment after, and I don't think I can walk. I'm gonna have to Uber because I'm literally so cold. Whew. My last taste of Boston before I drive back to the Cape later. I'm so excited, but I am gonna miss it here. Okay, here we are. I'm back. It's so cute and decorated for Christmas. Guys, I'm freaking out. They gift wrapped it so cute in here. How adorable. Okay, one last quick stop at Cava and Starve. I always get their harissa avocado bowl. I'm so excited. It's like feta, pickled onions, avocado, corn, spicy chicken, cucumbers, avocado, rice, and some greens, I think. Literally a delish. So I gotta find a good lighting when I get home to show you the box. Also, don't forget the chips. They call them pita chips because they're like soft on the inside, crunchy on the outside, and seasoned. They're so good from here. Okay, back at Lucy's apartment, and see, now I just feel like the lighting is hard because it's starting to get dark out, so I feel like I don't have like a good natural lighting to show you. I think you can see the money piece really well on this side. Some low light, some toner. I think I told you we did money piece, wash it out, low lights, wash it out, toner, wash it out, little baby trim. The healthiest and best my hair ever was when Kyle was doing baby trims all the time, because I feel like it just cleaned up the ends. And I really like the money piece in the front, just some brightness in front of my face, still feels like me. And this way it can grow out a lot more, we can bleach a lot less, like not bleach at all, and let the health come back. Okay, I think this is the best this lighting is gonna get because they have like recessed overhead lighting, so I'm kind of like up like this. You can see the color. So good. The low lights are like perfect to my natural color, so it's gonna grow out so nice. And then toner, just kind of tone it all down. Like it'll still be light throughout the bottoms and the front, which is perfect, so it'll blend really nice. And hopefully in my eyes just look like a really nice brown blonde. Blonde is what people are saying these days. I like don't recognize myself. Like this is a lot darker. I'm like, I'm brunette. He's like, well, you're the lightest brunette there ever was. It's still like a brownie blonde. But what do we think? All of you have been saying you guys have been loving the darker, so I think you're all gonna be like, oh my god, yes. Yeah, and then that way there's no harshness of the grow out with the roots, because that's why I said to add the lowlights. I would have just done the toner, but I feel like you could still see the line of where my highlights were, and adding the lowlights really just blended it so much. So I'm gonna stop touching my hair. I told them that too. I was like, one of my comments was like, Gretchen, pulling at, tugging at, touching your hair all the time is not gonna be good for the health of your hair. So thank you for telling me that, because you are definitely right. He's like, are you touching your hair all the time? I'm like, So it's the last time I'm gonna touch it. I'm gonna be better now. Oh, I just want to touch it and move it around here. What if I go like that? Just move it with my head. I love it. Okay, wait, last thing. I don't know if this lighting is good at all, but I need you guys to tell me how it looks from the back. It might be a little backlit, like a little dark, since I haven't seen the back yet. I wish you could tell me in real time. I want to know what it looks like from the back. Hopefully good. I'm home. You guys, I can't even tell you the feeling. I'm emo being back. Our house feels the same, but different than I remember, and even better. And I'm just so happy to be back. And of course, it's so late right now. I wish that I got here earlier, but we have all day tomorrow to decorate and get it ready to host our first Christmas. And Lucy's about to be here because we drove separate, but I'm supposed to not touch my hair anymore. I'm gonna be better with that. I FaceTime Max right after I pulled in. I'm like, guess where I am? And he's like, oh, I wish I was there with you. And I just ran around with him on FaceTime, and we just like looked at everything because we haven't been back in months. And yeah, everything's better than I remember. And also so clean. I didn't remember like leaving it this clean, but I do remember the day that I left being like a psycho, like I'm gonna wanna come back to a clean place. So I like scrubbed this place. I'm like, wow, it is literally spotless. Look at me go. I did vacuum like the day I left everywhere, cleaned all the countertops, cleaned out the sink, like cleaned like everything so that I would have this nice thing when I got back. So I walked in and was like, wow, this is better than I remember. Also, our place in Utica, like the ceilings are so low, we touch the ceilings and stuff, so we call it the dollhouse just because it's like really low ceilings and tight in there, and so it makes me appreciate our house here even more. Makes it feel like that much bigger. Also, I already started moving stuff around, so it's not as clean as when I first walked in, but that and that wasn't there. So just imagine those were all cleared off. I walked in and was like, oh my gosh, I'm emo. So basically, I already started making my piles of things I'm gonna do tomorrow. You guys are going to freak out when I'm not gonna share our garage actually, because it's terrifying. It looks like we're buried alive in there because there's this times 10 packages, like legit stacked in there, because our very sweet neighbor, shout out, right before I left, I was like, do you mind if you see any packages in our front stuff, just like toss them in our garage? She was like, no worries. Every day she texts me and is like, there's more packages I just tossed in. Our garage is full. I'm like, I am so sorry. You did not know what you're getting yourself into, because sometimes we order stuff here, most of it is like PR that gets sent here. We try to give brands our new address for the hockey season, but still like our permanent address. So yeah, there's gonna be a big unboxing tomorrow. Then I started throwing presents over there that I gotta start wrapping, some wrapping paper. Got the Nespresso, if you guys saw my last Vlogmas, that I got in Boston. New pods so that I can make a coffee in the morning, all ready to go. So I started putting stuff all over. But I just miss it here. Oh, it just feels like cozy at home. I already lit the new Anthropology candle. And I miss it here. I miss our new countertops. I just forgot how good it was and how cute and cozy and me. And this is just making me in the best mood. Oh, that's other junk. I just, don't worry about it. But I literally can't wait to get it all cute and Christmassy tomorrow. It's gonna be so good. Wrap presents, grocery shop for Christmas Eve, Christmas Day. Tidy a little, like I guess this mirror could be cleaned, but other than that, I was like, floors are spotless, the bedroom's like, I'm very happy I left it that way. It's always worth cleaning a ton before you leave so that you come back to a clean house. So yes, I just had to vlog for a little second right here. I'm back and I'm so happy getting my personality back. And I'm back home. That took so long. I don't know about you, but I'm like sweating. It's like I gotta take my sweatshirt off. Okay, stuff is now everywhere, but I wanna give you some highlights. Oh gosh, you guys. I just said to Lucy, I think I'm saying it right, L'Occitane or L'Occitane, and she goes, L'Occitane. Wait, you are the one that speaks French, Lucy. How do you pronounce this? L'Occitane. L'Occitane?
Well, yeah, but like...
How would you
like
say it in
English
French?
Or just with a French accent, I don't know.
Okay, someone please comment down below how we pronounce this. But this made us so excited because I feel like I love advent calendars. I didn't have one this December. And now Lucy and I are like, okay, we're gonna open one thing every hour until Christmas since we missed like the every day of December. But this made me so excited. Everything is so like holiday and Christmassy. Also, my favorite hand creams ever. I have just like the original scent one. Wait, this was right side up and I turned it around. I have the original scent and I have like a big bottle of it and I use it like every night on my hands. Like I can't go to sleep without it on my hands. My hands are so dry. So this is so nice. Thank you. Also, you guys know Poppy is my favorite and I was so excited opening this. I was like, let's go. Because I've seen everyone post about their new holiday flavor one and I haven't got to try it yet. So I'm so excited. I'm gonna make everyone try this flavor because everyone says it's delicious. I'm literally gonna take one out and pour a glass right now. Okay, also you guys, this one I was freaking out. I have never heard of this brand Birdie Gray before, but I just looked them up on Instagram and it seems like they are like a bridal party kind of brand and they do like matching PJ sets and bridal party dresses and stuff like that. And anything bridal gets me so excited because Max and I like barely started planning. This makes me so excited. I literally saw this and screamed. I'm like, wait, this is so sweet. I cannot wait to wear these. I really appreciate it. This makes me feel so special, like a bride. Also, this is so cute. I already took off my ring and put it in here like a little teeny ring box. Like this will be so fun on the go travel. Tried these on, love them. Tried on my new slippers. Also a little luggage tag and white passport holder, like screams bride. This is so sweet of you guys for thinking of me. I really appreciate it. And then this is also so fun. Their bridal gowns, they sent like swatches of colors you could do. Look how beautiful this champagne one is. I'm obsessed, so that's so fun. And yeah, maybe my bridal party will just end up in their gowns. We shall see. All right. Also, if you guys don't know, but you may know, I made a big fuss on my story one day. Now you know. Okay, you guys know I'm Ouai's #1 fan. I love Ouai so much. All their hair care, body care, yada, yada, yada. But they had this collab with Dead Cool a while back and made this, I was about to say body wash, it's not body wash, laundry detergent, okay? Their Melrose Place scent is delectable. It is so good. And I flew through this detergent and I actually DM'd them. I'm like, please tell me you still make this. And they were like, no, it was limited edition. And I was like DMing you guys being like, how do I find this if it's like not sold anymore? Like I need to get my hands on it. It's so good. And maybe from my persistence, it came back. I'm like, you're welcome, you guys. It was because of me. No, but they must have had it come back because it was so popular. And opening this, I was like, yeah. Yes, my sheets, my clothes have never smelled so good. If this is still available, you guys, do yourself a favor, buy it, okay? It smells so good. Also, they must need dryer sheets this time around. I'm so excited. It just smells so freaking good. Okay, I don't want this to take forever, so rapid fire. Here we go. Some other highlights. YSL, you spoil me too much, okay? Like, I don't know how in the world, you guys, I ended up on their PR list, but what the heck? This is so sweet, so I'm so excited. Some of my favorite perfume, Black Opium, if you know, you know. Also, I've been using their foundation recently. It's my fave, one of my all-time faves. Actually, I'm using, I wish I could tell you exactly what style it's called. It's just like the tall rectangular one. Then I also have their like tube squeezy one in a darker color for the summer that's more of like a tint. Anyway, side note. Okay, more way. You guys know, like I said, my fave. They always keep me stocked up. Detox shampoo, best clarifying shampoo. This is the one thing I haven't tried. I'm so excited. This is that same scent, but a perfume. So actually I already know I'm gonna be obsessed because it's my most favorite scent. And this is their new hair gloss, which I'm so excited to try. Hair oil, which is also my fave. I gotta be careful. Lucy might steal this out of my hands. She loves a good hair oil. And then their leave-in conditioner is our favorite. Okay, also Fenty. Thank you. Lucy said she literally was going to buy this for me for Christmas. So you must have read her mind. This is like a, what'd you say, Lucy? Like a body butter, but it's like oil too. Like a body oil butter. But yeah, whipped oil body cream. Yeah. Then we've got more hair care. Pureology. I actually have never really tried Pureology. I had like a mini sample from Sephora once, which I liked, so I'm excited to try. We all know I'll do all the hair care things. I feel like this is a good brand I've heard of. If you're trying to focus on the health of your hair, which you guys know I am. Then Kopari. Thank you. I love Kopari. I used their body butter last night after my shower. And this is like a face moisturizer. I believe I used this one before. Also, some more skincare. Some of my all-time faves, you guys. I actually have this in my makeup bag right now. And I'm almost done. They read my mind. Lucy also has this and was like, wait, that's one of my favorites. So she might be stealing that from me. I gotta put it away quick. No, but this will be good, especially with the gua sha face oil. And then this, I also have used an entire one of this already. This is like their hydrating serum. Yeah, thank you. All my faves. All right, I don't want you guys to be sick of this, so maybe we can just cut this here. Sorry to the brands that didn't make the mention. No, I'm kidding. But there's just a lot. So Elwood, thank you. One of my favorites. I believe my code for them is still active, so I can put that into the description. But literally the best t-shirts. I just got like a short sleeve t-shirt pack of 3. It's like a white, gray, black. I'm wearing them every day. This is like a long sleeve light gray. Can't wait. Also, been wearing my dark gray crew neck all the time. This is like a navy one. That'll be so good. And then some gray sweats. Thank you, Elwood. Love you. Like the best basic tees, sweats, like really high quality and cozy. So nice. Also, yeah, Lucy said her boyfriend's obsessed, and so I feel like so good for just unisex guys and gals. Okay, please ignore mess around here, but I just want to try this right here and now together. Ooh, it's like a light pink cranberry fizz. Ooh, I'm so excited, guys.
It's such a pretty color.
A light pink.
Can try. I don't like bubbly things.
Now I'm seeing why everyone loves this flavor. It's like a light cranberry flavor. Also, I should ask them right here and now.
I do like it. I need prebiotics in my life.
Prebiotics. Oh yeah, that's in there. That's how you said that. You mean for like digestion and stuff?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm trying to get my hair in the front for them to see. I'm already getting
my hair looks like black.
DMs are already rolling in saying, you look just like Lucy now. Wait, take off your glasses. You know,
you look so much tanner.
You know, well, I put on tanner stuff on my face today. You know when people that wear glasses all the time take them off and they look kind of like naked? I think that's just how you looked for a second.
I know, I feel that way too.
Okay, make the same face. Now soft smile. Do we look more alike now?
So
but our hairs are kind of like different browns. Mine's like a warmer, lighter brown. Yours is like your like dark, natural brown.
Looks like black.
Also, you have 10 times more hair on your head than me. So.
My hair's like super fluffy because I just washed it this morning finally.
Also though, the picture that people were DMing me that I look like you, I was kind of like, wait, we do. This side of my face looks the most like, we look alike like that.
That's weird. Not the left side?
No, my face is so not symmetrical, I swear. This side doesn't look like this side.
I feel like we both like the left side more, maybe. I don't remember.
Yeah, I like this side way more. Maybe because I like my
side.
freckle too on my cheek, and this side is no freckle.
I like my like I don't know, freckle by my eye.
You like that?
Yeah.